In this video, I'll show you how to download the finals. First, we need to download Steam. Right now, the finals is only available on Steam, PS5, and Xbox. It's not on Epic Games yet. So go to Steam and download the Steam app. I won't cover how to install Steam in this video since that's not our main focus today. Just make sure you have it installed and you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into Steam, go to the search bar at the top and type in The Finals. Click on the game once it shows up in the results. You'll see three options here: the free version, the deluxe edition which is a paid upgrade, and the ultimate battle pass bundle. For this tutorial, we're just going with the free version since that's all you need to start playing. Click on the free version, then hit install. Steam will ask you to choose which drive or storage location you want to install it on. Pick whichever works best for you. Once you confirm, the download will start automatically. And that's it, Steam will now download the finals for you. Just a heads up, this is a pretty big game, so the download might take a while depending on your internet speed. I won't wait for the full download to finish in this video, but that's really all you need to do to get it downloading on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials.